First, in this video, I'll show you how to make miso soup step by step, so even beginners can follow along easily. Avocado and tomato fusion. Today's ingredients is here. Avocado. Make a vertical cut down the center with a knife. And once you hit the seed, rotate it around to cut all the way around. Stick the base of the knife blade into the seed, then remove it. Cut it in half lengthwise. Peel the skin off by hand. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Transfer it to a bowl. Lemon juice. Drizzle it over the entire avocado. It prevents the avocado from browning. Mini tomato. Remove the stem from the tomato. Cut it into 4 pieces. Tofu. Cut it into 4 pieces crosswise. Cut it in half lengthwise. Cut the tofu in half horizontally. $400cc water. Pour water into the pot. Normally, I would use bonito dashi, but today I'm using consommé. Add about 1 teaspoon. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once it comes to a boil, add the tofu. Once it comes back to a boil, add the avocados. Add the tomatoes right away as well. To keep the avocado and tomatoes from becoming too soft, add them just before you put in the miso. Miso. Miso strainer. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of miso. Using strainer, you can dissolve the miso in no time. Taste it. If it tastes too light, add more miso. If it's too strong, add a little water. Doesn't it look delicious? It's ready. Let's eat.